Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pikachu in a Yoshi Poncho. And don't forget to pause the video, follow along. So first let's get started with Yoshi's nose in the middle. So we're going to start with a nice big circle. So right in the center, let's draw in that circle. It's going to be quite big. Let's add in some nostrils. As we come down in the center, stepping over, curving this up and across on both sides. Now let's come down. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around. We're going to tuck that down. We'll replicate this on the right, and we're going to end this at the same height. Now from here on the bottom, let's curve this around, tucking that up on the right. Now for Pikachu's nose, right in the center, we're going to draw in a small curved line, and then we're just going to draw in the letter V underneath. And then we'll color that in black. Let's come down for the mouth. So right in the center, we're going to curve this out, tucking that back up on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's step across. On the left-hand side for the left eye, let's draw in a circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right as well. Now let's come in and add the highlights. On the top, we're going to draw in a small circle. And we're going to color this eye in black. Now let's add the cheeks. So we're just going to round this out, curving that down. We'll replicate that on the right. Now let's continue to draw in Yoshi's head. So we're going to come up right in the middle and we're going to draw in a straight line. From that straight line on the left, rounding this out with a nice big arch line, tugging this down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. Now coming down again, leaving a small gap, drawing in another arch line for the eye, tucking this around and in. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the pupils. So stepping in, drawing in another arch line, curving this over, tugging that down, replicating this on the right as well. Now we're going to add in a circle for the highlight on the top of the eye. And then let's color in the pupils black as well. Now let's round out the cheek. So from that point, we're going to curve this over and down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right as well, tucking that in. Now coming down underneath, let's draw in a circle. And then to the left of this, rounding that cheek out, we're just going to curve this through and into that circle on the bottom. Now coming up beside the nose, curving this over and across. We're going to tuck in Pikachu's ear behind. So stepping up from here, we're going to curve this up and over on the left and right hand side. Now from that point on the top, let's continue to round the edge out, tucking that in on the side. From the top here, curving this around and down towards the bottom on a diagonal. Let's move underneath now for the rest of the poncho. So from that edge, we're going to curve this over and across. We're going to end this at the same height on both sides. Now from here, we're going to draw in the arms. We're going to tuck this line in. And then we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming across for the thumb. Let's draw in another small triangle on the side now. Let's add in our second. Let's add in our third. And now lastly, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out. And now from that point, just tucking this back up and into the side. Let's round out the body here. So on the left-hand side, tucking this all the way around, pulling that up on the side. And now for the leg, we're going to curve this over and into the side, replicating that on the right. Now for the shoe, stepping down, curving this up and over. For the back, we're going to curve this line in. And now on the very back here, just arching this down, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the shoe with a curved line. And then stepping up, let's draw in another curved line. Now let's close off the side of the poncho. So moving up, we're going to curve this around, tucking this into the shoe. We'll replicate this on the right as well, tucking this around and pulling that back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu in a Yoshi poncho. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.